Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading to Mandeville. We are on Mandela Highway and we're going to go on to Highway 2000 East-West leg, or the PJ Patterson Highway. So this is where we are. Now they plan to build an interchange out here by Caymanas, which is in this area, because Mandela Highway takes you to Highway 2000 East-West leg, and it also takes you to Highway 2000 North-South leg. But if you are on alright, let's call this one the PJ Patterson Highway and the North-South Highway, the Edward Seaga Highway. This one takes you from Kingston to Mandeville, and the other one takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. So let's say you're on this highway. There is no way for you to connect to this is the PJ Patterson Highway. There is no way for you to connect to the Edward Seaga Highway. No way. You have to exit on Washington Boulevard. Go on Washington Boulevard, and you can't make a working. There is no U-turn. You have to go all the way up to you have to exit by the police station, take the overhead ramp by the industrial complex, and come back around on the other side by the gas station. Go down Mandela and then go on to the north-south, the Edward Seaga Highway. I'm not sure what happened when these highways were being designed, but it is a major flaw. It's the same thing if you are coming from Ocho Rios. You have to exit on Mandela. I mean, there's an exit in Spanish Town as well, but there is no connection to this highway from the other one. None. And a major problem that occurs is Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. During peak hour traffic, it can take you hours, bumper to bumper traffic, hours to get from one highway exit to the other. So it's a serious flaw that was made when they were designing these roads, and I'm not sure why. So guys, you can leave your comments in the section below as to why you think they designed it like that, and why is it taking so long to correct. Now they plan to build an interchange to connect both highways so that you don't have to come off the highway to go. Basically, you could go on from this highway right on to the other highway without going on to Mandela. So it's in the works. NROC is in charge of the program. I don't think, no, it's not part of the CapEx program, although that program is taking forever to start. But NROC is in charge of it. Now, one of the reasons why they need to move faster is we have China Harbour Engineering Company in Jamaica. They can build that interchange in no time. Actually, they're the only company in Jamaica that can do it, to be practical. They're the only one. The local contractors, they can't build an interchange like that. And even the one by 3 miles, a double overpass, wonderful road. We have videos up of it, you can check it out. It was China Harbour Engineering Company that did it. Works well. Another thing is the space is there. Look at all the land on the left and the right. You can connect these highways, probably 2-3 points going down the road, but you only need one by Mandela, because the majority of the traffic at the end of the day is going to be coming from Kingston. And the third thing is the money is not an issue. This is a toll road. They have money that they don't even know what to do with when it comes on to these toll roads. These toll roads make billions of dollars. So even if you spend $1 billion building the interchange, you're going to make it back in no time, because people are going to use it. I mean, you're already on the toll road, you know. So all they do is just raise the toll at the toll plazas, and they raise them every year to accommodate for the interchange. billions of dollars are made. So I'm not sure why it's taking so long to get it done. Now, NROC does a good job in building these roads. I mean, they use China Harbour Engineering Company. So basically, there's not much NROC needs to do more than administrative stuff. The actual construction is China Harbour Engineering Company. And they are one of the largest contractors in the world. I think they're among the top 10. So they have their engineers, they have everything. And they use local contractors sometimes. So it can be done, and I think it needs to be done very quickly. Very quickly. Well, it's on the table. They have announced the project, the Caymanas Interchange. And they've also announced an overpass from Mandela into Portmore, which will definitely help with the traffic. Now, at some point, and I'm hoping that they do it now, you should also have an overpass from Portmore to this interchange. It will help to free up Mandela. Portmore has one of the largest populations outside of the city of Kingston. So just build an interchange from Portmore straight to this Caymanas interchange. And it will also help, because if you are coming from Ocho Rios and you want to get to Portmore, you can use that same connection at the interchange and get to Portmore. You won't have to go on Mandela to add to the traffic delays on Mandela. And you won't have to interact with the traffic that is coming from Kingston to Portmore. And these are toll roads. So you're going to pay tolls somewhere along the road. So it's not a problem. The road will pay for itself. So guys, let me know what you think. I think they should just build this interchange and build it properly. And why do you think they never did it at the beginning? You're building two highways. Both your access off Mandela Highway, and you don't have a way to connect from one to the other directly. You have to go on Mandela, go make a U-turn on the bridge, come back around. That could easily be an hour in the traffic. I'm really not sure what happened. The only thing I can think of is, no, it was never in the plans for an interchange when the roads were being built. I was going to say it was two different contractors, but it's the same NROC. It's the same company. I think it was just an oversight. In the same way, they're taking so long to put in additional exits. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.